Rath yatra ni kitingwi bisi brom na haikeno swrang salo aulini Jagannath mondir kotor dharmani panda songchajakha Asalni panda no phiyogwi rikha haste ni Governor Indra Sena Reddy nallu Asalni panda bo kognarna ni thangai Governor saka haste bo dharmani panda ni bisingtui no Rath yatra palaijaka Rath yatra no kitingwi na haste ni luko rogno kha kahamtai hamjangma yafarka bo haste ni hamkrani bagai Jagannath matani thani bo shurika Governor.
May this auspicious festival bring love, happiness and prosperity to your life. Let us all come together to celebrate the divine journey of Lord Jagannath and seek his blessings for a fulfilling year ahead. May each step of the Rath yatra fill you with bliss and strength to overcome any hurdle in life. I am happy to note that the Rath Yatra festival, celebrated in vibrant colors, showcased the rich heritage and culture, drawing hundreds of devotees to the event in Agartala. On this occasion, I extend my greetings to the people of Tripura state and pray to Lord Jagannath for the overall welfare of the Tripura people.
Salbwrwi ramwi cholinai dharmani panda dharma panda ni panda bo dalbidal ni dharma guru rok bangma topic no tewi kok sanai khanai sawi mankha. Bureau report kok khorang.